Sound is a vibration that travels through three states of matter. First is solid, second is liquid, and third is gas. Sound is something that can be heard. So the question here is, how the sound travel? As for example, when you hit a drum, a vibration in the molecule is produced since there is a movement. This has caused the other molecule around them to vibrate, thus it helps the sound to travel. Did you know that there is a place that sound cannot be heard? It is in space. This place is called vacuum because it doesn't have any matter. So, there won't be any molecule to vibrate, thus no sound is traveling.
Frequency. It is an important measure of sound. How to know it is high frequency or low frequency? Based on the picture given, on the left side, the higher number of waves coming into a fixed place at a given time, it means a high frequency. While on the right side, the lower number of waves coming, we hear a low frequency sound wave. Therefore, the higher number of waves, the higher the frequency. A higher frequency sound wave will give us a higher pitch. The example here is the sound of bird chirping. Next, a low frequency sound wave will give a lower pitch. The example here is the sound of thunder. Did you know that human ear have a capability to hear from 20 Hz until 20,000 Hz? Anything above or below is unheard to the human ears. So, did you guys understand the basic knowledge of sound already? Yes? Great! So now, let's proceed to the best part of this video.
Now we will demonstrate the concepts of communication on how to control LED light using hand clamp. Here is the component needed in our project. First, we need an LED light which will light up when there is electric signal pass through it. Second, we need wires to connect all the components together. Third, we will need a microphone or sound sensor. Can anyone tell me what is this component function? It detects sound produced in the surrounding and send a signal to the controller like how our brain listens sound from our ears. Fourth, we need a Arduino Nano board. It works like our brain that control our body movement and we can call it as the controller. Lastly, we need a breadboard to build the circuit without permanently connect the components. Now we will show you how to connect the components into the circuit. Now let's together test the circuit.